You can get it from Mr. Siva Ganeshan sir. He will be on the left side. We are proceeding to the valedictory function of the SANCON 2025. With that, we now reach the concluding part of this wonderful conference, the valedictory function of SANCON 2025. It has been an absolute honor and privilege to be your host throughout this event. I sincerely thank each and every one of you for your attention, enthusiasm, and participation. Hosting this conference has been a wonderful experience, and I thank you all for being such a fantastic audience. Now, to officially commence the valedictory session, Sural Karna sir and Mr. Kabiraj Kanal sir to please join the dais. Mr. Anil Kumar sir, the organizing secretary, to be on the dais. Now I would like to request the past president of Speech and Hearing Association of Nepal, Ms. Susmita Shrestha ma'am, to please be seated on the dais. I now call upon the organizing treasurer of SANCON 2025, Mr. Ram Vinay Yadav, to be on the dais. Can someone please convey this message to Mr. Ram Vinay Yadav? May I now request the chairman and the president of SANCON 2025 here in the dais and proceed with the exciting and the most awaited valedictory function. Ms. Prabha Dawadi, the stage is yours.
Let's take a deep breath now. Finally, it's over. I hope it went well and good. Like last year, there could be many flaws while conducting the conference. On behalf of Speech and Hearing Association of Nepal, I would like to apologize if you found any flaws. I am definitely sure that no programs goes with perfection. Having said that, we have completed our international SANCON 25, and there are many people to be thanked with, because without them this program, this event would not have been possible. And the first and foremost, I should be thanking to our sponsors, platinum sponsors, gold sponsor and bronze sponsor, and other sponsors who really were with us to conduct this program. So let's facilitate, or let's appreciate them with some token of love. Firstly, I'd like to request our platinum, representative from the platinum sponsor medal, to be on stage and take the token of love.
So our second sponsor, the gold sponsors. So now am I audible? So fine. So the second sponsor, the gold sponsor for this conference is Nepal Hearing and Speech Care Center, Thapathali. So I'd like to call Nepal Hearing and Speech Care Center, Thapathali. Okay. So Nepal Hearing and Speech Clinic Private Limited. Similarly, the bronze sponsor for this conference is Starkey Nepal Laboratories Limited. So I'd like to call any representative from Starkey Nepal here on stage. So many small sponsors, and it is basically from the clinic side as well as for the souvenir printing and logo. So I'd like to call the name accordingly. So I'd like to call any representative from the Otic Solutions to come here on the stage, because they have sponsored the registration kit for this conference. So if there is any representative from Otic Solutions, please come on the stage. Next we have Alps from India. So I'd like to call anyone from Alps India to come on the stage. Similarly, we have Speech Gears. So I'd like to call any representative from Speech Gears to please come on the stage to receive the certificate. So we also have sponsors, Modern Diagnostic Hearing Clinic, Kathmandu. So I'd like to call any representative from Modern Diagnostic Hearing Center to come on the stage. So next we have Awaz Hearing Clinic and Speech Clinic, Chitwan, to please come on the stage to receive the. Also like to thank the Bloom Park Clinic and Babel Early Clinic, because they are our small sponsors for this conference. Next I'd like to call, he's a faculty even at MURF India. He is Mr. Siva Ganeshan from MURF Institute of Speech and Hearing. So I'd like to call Siva on the stage because he has helped a lot for this conference, day and night for this conference. So please, Siva, I welcome you on the stage to receive the memento. I'd like to thank the organizing committee also. Without the support from the organizing committee, this conference would have not been possible. So I'd like to thank our organizing committee. I could not name all of them because we are almost 35. Thanks to the organizing committee. Everyone, thanks from my side and the whole team. Similarly, there are volunteers also. So I'd like to thank all the volunteers, my students who were there in this conference supporting all of us in the organizing committee. And also the cultural part was very good. So I'd like to thank the cultural team and especially Ashok Yadav sir, who has put a lot of effort for the culturals.
For poster, speech language pathology. Someone please. Shivani. No, it's speech language pathology, yeah. Okay.
You can guess any name.
Yeah, yes, it goes to Maisa Slam from Bangladesh for effects of screen time on speech and language development. And the co-authors are Nasin Akhtar, Shiva Ganeshan, Prabha Dawadi, Pratima Dawadi, and Avrati Jual.
Poster presentation, audiology.
Best poster presentation for audiology. Any guess? No guess? Okay, it goes to Shivani Karki for translation, validation and standardization of dizziness handicap inventory in Nepali language. And the co-authors are Shashish Ghimire and Dr. Prashant Prabhu. Shashish, you can join to the stage if you want. Where are you? Yes.
Best oral presentation, ENT department, Priya's Resta department.
Orthodontist. Best oral cancer.
Audio को भन्ने, audio class मा भन्दैन नि.
होइन. यो भन्नु.
Speech को भन्दैन. शिवानी को फेरि पनि भयो नि त.
And now next best paper award for oral presentation in speech language pathology. Any guess? Any guess? No guess. Okay, again it goes to Shivani Karki, a qualitative case study tracking the evolution of generative language in Nepali speaker with Broca's aphasia post-VNEST. And the co-author is Sabin Sharma Duwadi. We have two more papers, don't worry, your name could be there. The next is Best Oral Presentation for Audiology. And the award goes to Dr. Mayur Bhatt for designing and validating a robust musical dichotic listening test. Last but not the least, I should say, Best Oral Presentation for ENT, it goes to Dr. Priya Shrestha. The topic is to compare the outcomes of endoscopic versus microscopic myringoplasty using perichondrial graft in patient with chronic otitis media mucosal disease. And co-authors are Dr. Vikas Lal Shrestha and Mr. Akash Pradhan.
अब के छ भन्छ त हजुरको लिस्टमा अब के छ भन्छ त
Big congratulations to the winners.
Now I like to call upon the volunteers who tirelessly work day and night, managing their clinics, hospital as well as their studies to perform a beautiful show in our cultural nights. I like to call upon the volunteers, Regina Adhikari, Susma Lamichane, Prasidhika Shrestha. Everyone please come on the line. Shivani Karki, Birangana Wagle, Mamata Paudel, Subham Kumar Mazi, Nitesh Shraman, Riza Malekar, Nirzara Kafle, Gauri Shah, Diya Khadka, Kamaljit Pratap Shah, Manisha Dhakal, Bhavya Jha, आर्यशिला सापकोटा, अंजना ढकाल, आस्था रिमाल, दीक्षा औजी, परिवेश गेवाली, शुभश्री अधिकारी, मिलिसा थारू, सक्षम लामिछाने, प्रतीक्षा भट्टराई, प्रीति मण्डल, and a big thank you to Mr. Ashok sir, beautiful culturals. A big clap and a big bravo to you.
Now volunteers for the conference. Their support was very helpful to conduct this. Ananya Adhikari as a volunteer. Kriti Kesi, Avrati Juwal, Akriti Pandey, please be on stage. Subham, please be on stage.
Now I request all the organizing committee members to come on the dash to receive your certificate. All the members of the organizing committee, please come. Organizing committee, please come. You know who all are you in the organizing committee. Anybody else in organizing committee? Ashok Aryan, Shiva, please come. Krishna Gaire छैन? रञ्जना भसीमाको लागि पनि दियो. And lastly, I request Professor Goswami, please come to the stage to hand over the certificate to our organizing president. Now, our special request to give a short remarks.
Good evening, everybody. I don't know, sir told me to give some remarks, but what I'm trying to say is, I have seen our Isha Indian Speech and Hearing Association since 2000. I have worked in almost all the capacities. So almost some 25 years, I have been seeing that conference, how it is doing. What I find is that though we might have a border between India and Nepal, but we are running parallelly. The way you people have organized conference, it matches with the standard what Isha maintains. That's a beautiful thing that you have tried to use the resources, tried to use your wisdom, expertise. You have tried your best to give the best to the participants. That's a big thing, and which reflects, though that we have lot of differences, but we are united when it comes to actions. That's the beauty of this conference, which I realized it. And your hospitality, most important what I saw is, everyone looks very beautiful and handsome here. Okay, that's the, and young people. Very rarely you will find people with white hair, other than very few. Beauty, and you people are growing field. Okay, you are growing, you have a long path. Yes, people like Karna sir and all those people are giving you the way that, okay, you please carry forward. But you should carry forward the legacy with lot of passion. It's not one person, the president does or the secretary does, but it is your collective effort which is going to make these conferences a big hit. And I think everyone should join, and whoever has contributed directly or indirectly, my special appreciation to all of you, and special thanks to all the organizing committee members. All of you have done a very graciousful thing, and you had given a lot of your time, energy and commitment, which is highly appreciated. So once again, thank you very much for keeping up this great show. Keep it up, do good job. Stay safe and blessed always in your life. Thank you.
Professor Wasim, your feedback remarks.
From the bottom of my heart, I express my gratitude and thanks to Shri Karna sir, President Madam, and all the committee members of the Shan for a wonderful conference. Once again, this is the second international conference, but doesn't feel like that. So it is now we are used to it, and it shows that how well organized that the conference has been. The hospitality has always been spectacular, no problem at all, and we look forward to many more conferences in the future. I request everybody to please give them a standing ovation for a wonderful conference. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'd also like to thank our supporting staff from the audiovisual team, the souvenir team, and the logistic team, because they have put a lot of effort in this conference to make this conference successful. So thanks to all of them, and there is a certificate for them as well. I'd like to call Ram Narayan sir from audiovisual to please come on the stage to receive the certificate.
Most important person for making the scientific successful.
The one who has looked our souvenir, he's not here today because he's gone to Germany. So I'd like to also thank our Sivadai who has prepared our souvenirs, but he's not here. I'll just receive on his behalf. So I'd also like to call Tika sir to please come on the stage to receive the certificate. Tika Karki sir on the stage, please. So a special thanks to Tika sir, because the hospitality and everything, whatever we felt here was very good. So I'd like to thank Tika sir for this. A big round of applause from everyone.
So we are at the last of the event. Basically, it's a vote of thanks. I've already mentioned, but again to repeat with very special thank you to our international speakers, our orator of the event, Dr. S.P. Goswami sir. Thank you for being with us and supporting us. Other international faculty, Dr. Wasim sir, Dr. Mayur Bhatt sir, Dr. Ambedkar sir, and all the national faculties. Also special thank you to Shiva for being with us. Ranjit sir is not here, and we are always thankful to Ranjit sir, Munjal sir, Anuradha ma'am for being with us, because they were very supportive in last conference also, and they were there in this conference also, despite of Gen Z protest, which we already mentioned. Secondly, big thank you to our sponsors, Platinum, Gold, and Bronze, and other supporting sponsor. Without you, this conference would not have been possible. I'm serious about it, because finance plays a big role for the event, to support the event. Then to the organizing committee, to organizing chairman of all the committee, thank you very much for your tireless effort to make this event possible. Two pillars of the conference, organizing secretary and organizing treasurer, they were working day and night to make this conference happen. To the event supporters, which we already validated, our audiovisual travel team and the printing of whatever souvenir you have, printing team, and the logistic we are right now here. Thank you to everybody. Special thank you. The faculty dinner to advisory committee. They had always been the big support for the SANCON, always, whether it be first conference, second conference, third conference, fourth conference, every time. Big thank you to advisory committee. And this time the faculty dinner was hosted by our advisory committee. Sureshwar Lal Karna sir, Khanal sir, Bhavani Pradhan ma'am, Pradeep Malik sir, and Virendra Jha sir. Big thank you to you also. Then to the participants. We did this conference to the participants. Thank you for being here, enjoying the conference. I hope you enjoyed the conference. A person who is not here, who is also the member of organizing committee, Mr. Bibek Bhatrai, who helped us from UK for the scientific arrangement, whatever. To the BSLP students, my students, interns, and first year, second year, and third year students. When we were working for the conference, they were handling the cases for us. Thank you very much for your support. If I have ever missed anybody, thank you very much for that also. Yeah, thank you. And we again will come back with bigger and louder conference after 2 years.